Hello there, welcome to our channel Logins again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your AOL mail account from the homepage of AOL. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your AOL mail account from the homepage of AOL, first open up your preferred browser on your computer. I'll be opening the Google Chrome as you can see, and on the search bar of your browser, click over there and type in AOL.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for AOL, login on the Google itself and hit enter. Now you can see the AOL.com over here, login.aol.com over here with the forgotten username over it. Now, but from the AOL.com itself will be on the home page of AOL. Now to log into your AOL mail account from the home page, you can see login/join over here, but over the top of that you can see the mail over here. Click on mail, and you can see this is the login page of AOL mail from the home page itself, and you'll be required to enter your username or your email address or your mobile number over here which you had registered on AOL at the time of creation of your account, and click on next. And after that you'll be required to enter your password and then click on login to sign into your AOL account. Or if you have forgotten your password, you can see the forgotten username option available over here. Click over there to retrieve a username. Or if you have not yet created or mail account on AOL, you can see the create an account option available over here. Click on create an account and you'll be taken to a procedure where you can sign up for AOL. And guys, this is how you log into your AOL mail from the AOL homepage. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.